Mangwe a Makoko a sepolotiki a amogetse go tlhophiwa gape ga Cyril Ramaphosa jaaka Presidente wa ANC. O fentse tona boitekanelo Dr Zweli Mkhize ka divoutu di le kete Pedi, kgolo supa le borataro. Fa Dr Mkhize a bone divoutu di le sekete, robedi, supa le robong. Makoko Mangwe a re MoPresidente Ramaphosa a tsepamise maikutlo go dikgwetlho tse maAfrika Borwa ba lebaneng natso di akaretsa botlhokatiro le bohuma.
We wish him well in his time in office. However, we hope that this renewed mandate from his political party will finally embolden him to lead South Africans and prioritize the issues that are facing South Africans the most. That he'll prioritize the 30 million South Africans who are living in poverty, the 7 out of 10 young people who are without work, and the South Africans who are living in squalor because of broken down service delivery.
We are going to fight him until he resigns, because how can you sleep on $1 mattresses when our people do not have water? Anamola Varambata. Just outside this farm, a lot of squatter camps are there. How many people can he change by just putting water in those squatter camps?
It is quite clear that the ANC remains a troubled and divided organization which have not managed to cleanse itself. Both candidates for president have scandals hanging over their heads. The victory of President Ramaphosa is, however, a huge blow to Zuma, Magashule and their likes, but the top 7 do not instill confidence, especially with regards to Nomvula Mokunyane and how she is implicated in state capture and corruption.
We expect from President Ramaphosa to implement the Zondo Commission's report. He must not dilly-dally any further, because his own party have given him now a fresh new mandate to implement that report.